Hello guys, good afternoon. So we got the CX-5 already. So this is it, 2018. So black, another black car. So I've been driving it for 2 days na guys. Car wash ko, but now that it's rainy season, alam mo naman pag black guys, mahirap i-maintain. Okay, there's a helicopter. Last natin. Start with the back guys. So you put my stuff, I put my stuff na from the Camry, transfer ko na. Maluwag naman guys, oh. There's still a lot of space. Of course, it's not the biggest. I think the CR-V and the Toyota RAV4 is still bigger, but it's big enough. I love the style guys, even though it's 7 years old. Maganda pa rin, diba? It's still up to date. And the good thing guys, when I got the car, 2024 pa yung gulong, and the original same brand pa rin, Toyo. And these tires guys, if you look, it's almost 10,000 a piece. So I saved a big chunk of money just on tires. So of course, in the next couple of videos after this, I'm gonna do a heavy PMS. I'm gonna, pag bumibili tayo ng pre-owned cars, we'll do heavy PMS, and also we're gonna add some stuff para ma-update yung kotse na to. Just little stuff na kailangan natin. Anyways, so this is the 2.5 all-wheel drive naturally aspirated. Tints are nice, not too dark, but dark enough. Yan. So power seats on both the passenger and the driver. Ito may lumbar support lang, tsaka memory seating. Of course, yung kailangan natin pag traffic, auto hold, very important. Aircon is very good guys. I had the 2024 Mazda 3 sedan, which is mas bago kaysa dito, diba? But the aircon of that is not as good as this one. The blower pa lang mas malakas, ang bilis lumamig, so I like that. It has drive mode, basically normal and sport. Sport and normal. Yeah, naka-off yung iStop. I hate iStop guys. I just don't like cars with stop and start function, especially in the Philippines guys, especially in Manila, laging traffic. I think if not, most people do off it. And there's disabling kit that I will get update ko sa inyo soon where to get it para permanently mawala na yan. They just kinakabit lang yan, OEM lang siya, kinakabit siya dun sa switch. So every time you start, naka-off na siya. So you don't have to switch it off all the time. Okay, when you watch the pre-inspection of this car, and alam mo naman na, I checked everything. I hired a pre-inspection company to do that, and everything turned out okay. All, these things, diba? Sometimes pag older cars, hindi na gumagana yung sa lighter. But they all work. Even at the back guys, pina-check ko na yun. So pag nagsasaksak kayo, especially when it comes to charging your phones, and I love the materials, even na to guys, 7 years pero ang ganda, buo walang, of course this one may minimal scratches lang, but that's okay. Actually, I'm gonna buy a film, babalutan natin to. On the next video you'll see that. Glove compartment, not the biggest. I wish it was a little bit bigger so I could put more stuff. Kasi yung shades guys, ito, hindi siya kasha dito. Maliit eh. Hindi ko alam bakit. Even sa soft, hindi talaga siya kasha guys eh. I tried closing it, or maybe I'm doing it wrong, but tignan natin baka kumasya na. While I'm videoing, natin yung ilaw. Yan. Ayun, kumasya! Baliktad dapat pala. Ay, nako. Anyway. Sige, lagyan na natin. Yun. Okay, good. Kumasya. So, naka-LED na to. Pinalitan ko na guys. And also this, LED na siya. Yan. Kasi halogen yan eh. Even the plate number lines and trunk lights. Yan, LED na siya guys. So, diba? Para at least, everything's LED. Actually, when I switch this on, yeah, LED. So it's really nice and, bright at night. Of course, the sunroof. It's nice to have, but I don't use it. Pag mga ganitong days na medyo gloomy, okay na rin yan. So make sure that works. Make sure na it doesn't leak. Ano yun, that's raining season, natetest ko. Good, walang leak. Well, it shouldn't leak at this, you know, age 7 years. That's not a long time, guys. So this one has 65,000 kilometers. Bakit tanongin niyo, sir, medyo mataas yan. But in reality, guys, that's not high. In the States or Europe, these cars, I've seen on other YouTube videos, 300,000 miles. So ito, 40,000 miles lang. For me, ang importante, naaakma yung mileage dun sa year ng car. So basically, nangyayari, he's been running the car 11,000 kilometers per year, which is, you know, average. When you think about it, 10 to 15,000 kasi a year eh. So, bagay siya dun sa year ng car, which is good. Then, pinalitan niya yung gulong kasi nga 6 years. So when he bought it in 2018, 2024 siya nagpalit. So tama rin eh, 'di ba? Which is good. That means the first owner of this car took care of it. And the maintenance records which I have, akma rin dun sa records ng mileage and all. So which is good. Importante yon. You can get a lower mileage car and hopefully the records are good and all, but if you get a low mileage car tapos it's been sitting there for so long, then diba, that means the car's not been running, there's no oil that's circulating around the engine. That may not be good in the long run, right? I checked the Bose sound system, very good. Punta tayo sa likod. Dito tayo sa kabila kasi nagbe-beep. Key not found. I'm here. So this is my seating position, guys. Malawag pa siya. But of course, yung Camry walang tatalo eh. Kasi of course, that's like a mid-size sedan. This is like a compact crossover. But still good. Very comfortable. You could recline. Diba? Recline the back seats. I love the fact na yung armrest siya. Bumili na ako, guys. Actually, ito, cup holders. Pero bumili ako ng charging. So, from USB to Type-C. Yan, diba? So people who sit here, may pang charge sila. So close na natin to. Put that back. And nice na may aircon. Kasi alam mo naman sa Pilipinas, kailangan may aircon eh. Mainit. Diba? And I love the fact that the aircon is cold. I love the fact that, see, this is still leather. Because some cars, guys, even way more expensive cars, hindi plastic to, hard plastic. So sometimes if you hit your knee, masakit. Also, guys, pala. So this car brand new before was around 1.9, I think 1.947 million. Parang gano'n na. Basta under 2 million. Now, if you get the facelifted one, it's 2,050,000 for the 2.5 all-wheel drive NA, naturally aspirated. Then you can get the turbo, which is 2.430, I think. And there's a cheaper one of this that's around 1.8, I think, or something like that, 1.8 or 1.9 flat. So the value of this car, of course, the first owner absorbed the depreciation of this car. Basically, lugi siya ng 65%, around like that, guys. Kasi yung selling ng car na to ranges from 800 to 900,000. Or 950 depending on the year of this body, this body type. And that's, imagine, 65% hit. So suerte, people like me who buy pre-owned cars, when I look around and if I see a very good condition one, like this one, walang cracks yung seats, intact yung leather, no mechanical problems at all. But of course, we have, on the next video, we're gonna do major PMS. Why? Because we have to change the oil for sure. Transmission oil, all the filters palitan na natin. We have to check the brake pads kung okay pa. Even though walang squeals, guys, baka manipis na siya. We have to check everything. Differential oil, transfer case oil, coolant, braking system. Check na natin lahat yan, yung braking fluid. Most likely we're gonna replace that. So on the next video, I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna bring this Mazda. I'm not gonna bring it in Casa, guys. I'm gonna bring it to a specialty shop that caters to Mazda cars. Majority yata Mazda talaga ang kinikater nila. So the shop has a wide range of knowledge when it comes to Mazda cars, which is good. So yun, guys, super sulit. I love this car. I think one of my best, besides the Camry. I think the Camry was the best one, just because it's the mileage and all. But this would come second. Of course, this one has a 190 horsepower and 251 Newton meters of torque, 6-speed automatic. So that's the CX-5 for you. And ano ba? Safety. Ito lang naman yung safety eh. Ito lang yung safety, guys. Basically, it has front and rear sensors. It has blind spot monitoring. And rear cross traffic alert. Even for the updated, yun lang yun. Pag turbo, yan, you get more safety. Or if you get the diesel of this, you get more like hill descent and stuff like that. Pero to be honest, blind spot, okay na yun. Rear traffic alert, that's all you need. You don't need anything else. So I'm very happy with this car. And I'm gonna basically also tell you yung updates ko. Like I said, this one doesn't have Apple CarPlay. There's gonna be a shop that does Apple CarPlay. I'm not sure if I'm gonna replace the screen to a bigger screen at 10.25 like the new Mazda, or I'll retain this and just put wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Meron pa nga wireless charging na pwedeng gawin dito. Basta marami, guys. I think a lot of people who know Mazda cars go to this shop kasi nga they really cater to Mazda. And yun. Well, that's the coming videos. So heavy PMS and the accessories for this car. So I'll see you on my next vlog. Always take care. And you know, for people, I see a couple of people who commented and they're also looking at Mazda CX-5. So I hope these videos can help you guys, especially when picking a CX-5. So I'll see you on my next vlog. Always take care.